In honor of us doing our open house today, I figured why not do a video explaining the reasons why people are choosing to live in East Austin. So first off, East Austin is known for its culture and history, and specifically Black history. If you didn't know, back in 1929, due to the segregation policies surrounded by I-35, which is one of the major highways here in Austin, Blacks were pushed to only purchase properties and live on the east side. And because of that, a lot of the culture, history, and community is what helps shape this area. And if you are ever in the Austin area, I highly recommend checking out Thinkery Grill, which is located on East 11th Street here in Austin, Texas. It is a historic landmark known for Black musicians to come out and perform. One of the musicians that you guys may know was a famous jazz musician who went by the name B.B. King. But overall, if you're looking for a good dive into the African American culture and the history, check out East 11th and 12th Street. Now, second up is going to be one of my personal favorites here in East Austin. It is Mueller Lake Park. And the reason why people are gravitating towards Mueller is because there's just so much to do, not only for you, but for the kids too. There is the lake itself that you can walk around or feed the ducks. There's trails throughout. There's a great green space. There's shopping, dining. I mean, there's so much to do in that area that's a good mix of outdoor activities and indoor activities. And if you're ever here on the weekend, I highly recommend checking out the farmers markets, which is hosted every Sunday here in Mueller. Now another family friendly gosh, that's a tongue twister. Now, another family-friendly thing for you guys to do is to take your kids to Thinkery. So Thinkery is pretty much like a big science museum for kids, right? It's very interactive. Your kids can get their hands dirty, play in the water. It's very much a way for the kids to get creative and to kind of burn out the energy. And if that isn't enough, there is a park right across from Thinkery, which is part of the Mueller Lake Park. So if that doesn't get them tired, take them to the playground. Now, one of the other spots that I want to highlight is going to be the Bodega. So the Bodega is a small local coffee shop located in Mueller, specifically where all the townhomes are at. So it is a very small, intimate coffee shop where most of the community go there to get coffee, a glass of wine, and they also sometimes host small dining events like a omasake or something more where it's a personal invite. Now, if you're someone who enjoys going to the park with your kids and family, highly recommend checking out the most recent completion by the city of Austin, which is the Little Walnut Creek Greenbelt, located here in East Austin. It is 200 acres worth of trails for you to explore, ride your bike, run. They also have a playground where it is pretty interactive for actually adults and children. So when people are choosing to live in East Austin, it's honestly not just about the houses, it's about the lifestyle that it has to offer. So if you're ever in the area, be sure to come check it out. And if you guys are interested in learning more about the area specifically, feel free to reach out to me directly and let's connect.